Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to check if you're eligible for PayPal working capital. As a small business owner who has actually used PayPal working capital, I can tell you that the process is incredibly straightforward because PayPal already knows your business better than any traditional bank. It's not about checking a credit score. It's about your sales history with them. Here is a direct, no-fluff breakdown of what I found to be the key to eligibility. First, you need the right kind of PayPal account. You must have a PayPal business or Premier account that has been active for at least 90 days. If you're still using a personal account for your sales, you need to upgrade that first. Second, the most critical factor is your annual sales volume through PayPal. This is the metric they use to calculate eligibility and your potential loan amount. In my experience, and based on what PayPal looks for, you generally need to be processing at least $15,000 in annual PayPal sales for a business account, or $20,000 for a Premier account. The more consistent sales you have, the better your chances and the larger the funding amount you might be offered. Third, and this is important, you cannot have any outstanding PayPal working capital loans when you apply. You have to fully pay off one loan before you can apply for the next one. They're also looking for an account that is in good standing, no major issues with disputes, chargebacks, or limitations. So, how do you check if you're eligible right now? You don't need to call anyone or fill out a massive form. You simply need to log into your PayPal business or Premier account and navigate to the working capital section, which is usually under the Finance or Money tab on your dashboard. If you meet their criteria based on your recent sales history, PayPal's system will instantly show you an offer, or at least the option to apply. If you don't see the option, or if the system tells you that you are not currently eligible, it's most likely because you haven't met those sales or account history thresholds yet. The real beauty of this process is that there is no personal credit check, so checking your eligibility or even applying won't affect your credit score. They are strictly using your revenue history with them as the barometer for your business's health. My advice is simple. Hit those minimum sales and account age requirements. Keep your account in good standing, and then just log in and see what offer is waiting for you. That's the most direct and accurate way to check your eligibility. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.